Hi again everybody, Simon here, Projects in the Barn. Welcome along to another video. And as you can see, I've been working along my rear suspension components and I've cleared up all my rear differential casing, painted that up, which has actually been sat outside a couple of days now, which is all looking good. I've still got to carry on and finish off the rest of the drive shafts and hubs, but I thought while I'm waiting for a few parts to turn up, I'll show you what's in this box. So those that remember, I stripped all the brakes off. I sent the brakes away to be shot blasted by a friend of mine at work, and although they come out okay, they didn't come out as good as I was expecting. So I've actually sent them away to this company here, to have them professionally remanufactured, repainted, all new seals and everything done. So that's what's inside the box. So I think we're going to get it opened up. So this is, as you can see by all the stickers on the box, Steering Specialist Limited. And yeah, they were very kind. I contacted them about doing some work on my brakes for me, and they very kindly agreed to do it. So yeah, I'll show you all the brakes, and yeah, they were really, really good. And what I'll do, I'll just get this box open, and then we can zoom in a little closer, so we can see exactly what they've done. Obviously, as you can see, I've not opened them up. They have been here a little while now, a good sort of few months. I've resisted opening them. I thought now would be a good opportunity, because we're looking to put it all back together. There we go, Steering Specialist Limited, my invoice, and I've got to say thank you again to them. They did do me a good deal. I did pay for them. I did get a little discount off them, so thank you very much. So yeah, if anybody wants anything from them, here you go. I'll even show you who they are. This is who done it for me. You can see that's me at the bottom. So yeah, if anybody wants any work doing, screenshot that and go and see them. So let's get into the box. See what we can see. Oh, it's very exciting. Ooh, this is my only table I've got at the moment. My workbench is absolutely full of stuff. Hence I'm out here doing it, which is a bit of a pain. But there we go. It is what it is. So let me just bring you in closer so you can see the goods as I unravel them. Just excuse my dodgy filmmaking skills. There we go, that should get you in on the action. Right, so there's my knife. What should we open first? Oh, look at that. One lovely carrier. All new pins. Painted a lovely sort of signal yellow, which is the colour that I wanted. And you'll know that the colour, I'll put this down on the floor a minute. If you recall, the caliper I actually painted, I did paint yellow. Now that's another carrier. Yeah, I did paint that up yellow. So, there we go. Feels like a caliper. I think the yellow and the black is going to look rather tasty. Tell me what you guys think. I think it's going to look good. I think the yellow against the black is really going to pop, as it were. Yes, look at that. Look at that, brand new pistons, brand new seals. Everything brand new. Lovely. This is where the fixings go through. Brand new bleed nipples. Look at that. You can still just about see Jaguar. And yeah, new inlets for all the brake pipes there. Marvellous. Looks pretty tasty, doesn't it? So I think we've got another probably carrier here. Judging by the weight. A bit careful with the knife, I'm going to cut through to me lovely refurbished paint on the brakes. Yes. Look at that, look at the finish on that. Can do pins. So if you can see all the threads are beautiful, being cleaned out. Still see the serial numbers. Very, very impressed, I must say. Let's pop that one down there. There's another carrier. See if we can get to one of the smaller calipers. There it is. Lovely. Look at that. Again, everything. Yeah, look at the detail on that. These are the original calipers. You still see all the original detail and stampings. ATE. Beautiful. Well, I'm super impressed with that. So here's the two. Side by side. Front and rear. And what I've also got in my pocket, if I pull them out, is a series of stickers. And these, so you get a selection. I bought these off of eBay here in the UK, I think. I'll leave a link in the description below where I got them from. And what I'm hoping is I'll be able to, somewhere along the caliper, put the sticker on. We're just going to have to find the best place for it, probably on the carrier, maybe. When the carrier gets fitted up. Trying to think off the top of my head now which way around it goes. Might not see all the carrier. But anyway, when I get it on the car, we'll work it out. I think, yeah, somewhere along the caliper, it'd be quite nice to have, I don't know, imagine like one of the little leapers on there somewhere. Yeah, it might be quite nice to sort of pop that down along there, or the word Jaguar. We'll have to have a look. That's something I can play with. Yeah, so that's good. Very, very, very pleased with that. Yeah, really nice. I hope you guys agree. So they're going to look stonking when they're fitted onto the discs here. Yeah, really, really nice. So there we have it. Hope you agree that they are very nice. So yeah, they'll look. I got one of the small carriers here. I don't know if this is the one for this side. But yeah, I think they should look, whichever way around it goes. It's been so long, I can't bloody remember. I can't be that way, can it? Can't remember whichever way around it finally fits on my car. I think that'll look pretty decent when that's all cleaned up. Yeah, I hope you agree. So for me now, I've got some, I better stand this way because the sun's right on the camera there. I've got some more cleaning to do, so I'm just going to wrap these back up again. Just thought I'd show you them because I'm waiting on a couple of parts now to turn up. I have managed to find a used rear A-frame for the subframe, and I had a lovely conversation with the director of Auto Reserve Jaguar, who specialise in parts for all kinds of Jaguars, new and most importantly used. And yeah, we had a bit of a chat about my channel and the parts that he sells, and I've been buying for the last 3 or 4 years from them, various parts for my various Jaguars. And yeah, so I've ended up speaking with him, and I've bought my A-frame from him, which I'm hoping is going to be here by the end of the week. Today is Wednesday, so I'm hoping it'll be here by the end of the week. In which case, when that comes, I can crack on and look to try and get this subframe finished off and built back up again. So big shout out to Andrew, Auto Reserve Jaguar. If you want any parts for your Jag, then I suggest look in the description below. I'll put a link to their website. Yeah, and have a browse, see what they got. They got so much stuff on there, and it's great to see companies like that. Although nobody ever wants to break a Jag, but if you didn't, we wouldn't have the parts to keep our Jaguars on the road. So yeah, I'm very grateful to him and his company for doing it. So yeah, check out their website, Auto Reserve Jaguar. And yeah, if you want to order any parts, give them a call. Tell them that Simon from Projects in the Barn sent you, and I'm sure they'll look after you. But I'll tell you more about that when the subframe A-frame turns up here. I'll do a whole piece on that. But anyway, from me for now, just a short video just to show you the brakes that I had back, because people have been asking. It's been a while since they've been here. I'm going to get back to cleaning, so I'll say bye, and I'll see you next time round on the channel, where we're going to be hopefully starting to look to put some of this subframe back together again. So we'll catch up very soon. And if you're enjoying what I'm doing, then I'd like to invite you to subscribe to the channel. As I keep saying, so many people watch the channel but don't actually subscribe. But yeah, if you watch it, why not subscribe? It doesn't cost you anything. Helps my subscribership, and it helps the videos get out to more like-minded people that enjoy vehicles that we all enjoy together. But anyway, from me, Simon, Projects in the Barn, we'll see you next time round for some more fun. Okay, bye for now. Don't they look good, eh? Lovely.